In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Now, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Then wait for the pop-up. Use this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to allow or deny it, and hit pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request or accept it manually on a second device. Either way, as you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to manage connection to any paired device, use gear icon next to the chosen one and check out all of those options, including Forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!